So this is the Hiroshige Mighty Wallet. This is printed with ukiyo-e woodblock prints by Hiroshige. Really classic, elegant design. Has all the features and benefits of a Mighty Wallet, being super thin. These are as light as 2 credit cards, so that's super lightweight. And just to show you one of the other cool features, I have a stack of cards here. I'm going to fill up the wallet. Because it's folded origami, it's not stitched, the wallet adjusts as you fill it. So there you go, it got a little bit bigger on that side. And this is true of all the compartments. So I'll put more cards on this side, fold it down, there you go. And so it's sort of a self, adjusting wallet. As you fill it, it adjusts to whatever you carry. After a while, it'll stay at that certain size, whatever your, average wallet size is. But they're super durable, they last years. And after that, you can recycle them. They're mighty thin, mighty strong, mighty green.